Students, welcome to day 17 study plan of commerce. Kindly watch my previous videos and follow the study plan. Everyday questions and answers links are posted in the description box. Please refer the same. Do not skip the video. Please watch fully. If these videos are useful, kindly like, share and subscribe. Students, let us see day 17 question answers. First, very short answers. What is meant by commodity market? Commodity market is a place where produced goods or consumption goods. Consumption goods means it is for final consumption. It is ready to be used or bought and sold. Commodity markets are further divided into produce exchange market, manufactured goods market, and bullion market. This produce exchange market is agricultural products. Here the farmers will sell their products on the wholesale basis. It is a specialized market. Manufactured goods is the raw materials will be converted into a finished goods. All electronic products, these all you can take it as an example. And bullion market is buying and selling of gold and silver. Next we'll see what is marketing. Marketing is the performance of buying activities that facilitate to more flow of goods and services from producer to ultimate user. Marketing is here from the producer the goods will be bought or it will be carried and it will be supplied to the marketplace where it is consumed, the place where it will be consumed. Marketing, another meaning also I have given. Marketing includes those business activities which are involved in the flow of goods from the production place to the place of consumption. So activities which help to flow of goods and services from producer to ultimate, that is final consumer or user. Another meaning is all the activities which are involved in flow of goods and services from the place of production to the consumption. Next is define marketing mix. Marketing mix, it is a pack of 4 sets of variables. That is market elements. Elements of marketing also we can say. Those elements are product variable, price variable, promotion variable and place variable. Product is, it is the it is offered in the market. Without product, no marketing. Okay, so product is offered in the market for satisfying wants or needs. Price, here the price variable is amount charged for a product. For producing the product, whatever amount is spent will be charged. And then place, this place variable represent the goods will be brought to the place of consumption from the place of production. And promotion is advertisement. Okay, effectively the information will be conveyed so that the goods can be sold in effective way. And next is short answers. What do you understand about right to protection of health and safety? There are a few products which are more likely to cause physical danger to consumers' health, lives and property. So the best example here we can take is food. Here in food, they will add some additives, colors, emulsifiers. Emulsifiers means it is an additive which helps two liquids to mix. For example, oil and water cannot be mixed. This will be in separate. When you pour in a glass, it will be separate. So when you add an emulsifier, that is any binder, okay, so this will mix the liquids together. Okay, so these things they will add. And preservatives to preserve the quality and freshness of the food, so that whatever they are adding, the health hazards, the harmful which are harm or damage to human should be eradicated and it should be reduced altogether. So in case of food items and drugs, both life-saving and life-sustaining safety is to be guaranteed. Okay, and then is consumer protection necessary? Yes, because consumers are the vital part of the business. They decide the success or loss of the business. So, but still they are exploited by the seller in many ways because they are not aware of the products and services available to them. Government has also taken necessary steps to save the consumers. So consumer protection is very important, and it is in this context, the grievance redressal mechanism becomes very important. So if the a redressal mechanism means what? If the consumers are affected, they should be compensated for their uh, loss. Next is, what do you mean by liberalization? Liberalization refers to laws or rules being liberalized, that is relaxed by a government. So liberalizing trade policy by the government includes removal of tariff, that means taxes, subsidies and other restrictions. So liberalization is the result of new industrial policy which abolished the license system or license Raj. Next, we'll move to the long answer. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of e-marketing. Advantages of e-marketing. Through internet, we can buy goods, we can market the goods 24 hours, 7 days. Service to its user, so consumer can shop or order at any time from anywhere, and direct contact with the end consumer, so it will eliminate all the intermediary cost, so the products can be supplied at the cheaper or reasonable price. So customer can buy whatever they want, but the only thing is they have to browse to the various sites. Disadvantages are also there. Here the disadvantage is high cost for e-marketing, which requires strong online advertising campaign. So they have to spend more. The cost of designing the website, software, hardware, and maintenance of the business site and online distribution cost, and the time, invested time, all must be factored in the cost of providing service or product online. And it is not suitable for small size business, and also they won't allow the customers who are staying very far away from the place. Okay, distance, they are staying distance from the uh, place though, so it will be transportation cost, delivery charge will be higher, so that cannot be afforded by the small size business. And while the number of customers are continuously, when they started to grow, it will be very hard to update the information on the website. And many still now, though everything has been developed, but still there some consumers are suspicious because there is no safety security in sharing the paying the amount or using the credit card and all. So many are still do not buy online, okay, especially when they wanted to share the credit card detail and all, they are still afraid to do that. So these are all the disadvantages. And discuss any two new methods. Here already you are studying niche marketing in short answer and e-business in very short answer. These two you can write because already you are learning in short answer and very short answer. Those answers can be uh, put together so that you can write any two modern marketing. Niche marketing, already I told, it is a strategy. It is planning towards the one well-defined segment of the population. Actually, this is not a market. They will identify the need of customers which are not served or underserved by the competitors. So niche marketing is they involve a specific target audience with a specialized offering. It aimed at being a big fish in a small pond instead of being a small fish in a big pond. Uh, for example, there are various cinema halls across India, but there are very few have recliner seats to offer. So not everybody wants to watch movie by paying 5 or 6 times the cost of a normal ticket. And another example you can take is sports channels. These sports channels target the sports enthusiasts. Okay, next e-business, you can say business, normal definition of business, meaning of business you have studied in 11th standard, production or purchase and sale of goods. It's undertaken for making profit and acquiring wealth through satisfying the human wants is known as business. If this business is done through web or intranet is a communication inside the company or organization with their employees. Extranets means communication with two or more organization uh, to conduct the business. So in simple words, what is e-business is if all the business transaction carried out through internet and other online tools, it is called e-business. Okay, students, I have explained today's 8 questions. I hope you would have understood these concepts. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.